Hello everyone, it's Gigo here once again and welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time seeing this project, this is the Aburi Amanfrom project, which is at Grey City Phase 2. So in our previous video we started with the inside plastering, right? So early this year we did the outside plastering first, right? We started with the outside plastering, we took a break, and then we came back to do the inside plastering. That's also because it's all about strategy here at Gigo Production Group. For you to do your inside plastering, you need to do your electricals, piping, right, and also the plumbing as well. So it's capital intensive, right? If you want to do plastering, everything at one, inside and outside, you need to have the money ready, right? So that was a strategy we used, and that's what we saw in our previous episode. Today's episode the focus is more on the windows and the door frame finishes, right? The dressing, the windows dressing. So as you can see, we've done all the window dressing for this project, and I think this episode brings us to I will say the first phase of the whole project, which is the structural work is completed, right? So the next phase is going to be the finishes, right? Which is either the owner starts with the electrical works, or have to do Andre painting, or do the burglar proofs or windows. We will discuss that. So we have Pele here, our supervisor, to take us through what has been done.
So we are back at Aburi Amanfrom, and this is the last part of the plastering, and this is the finishing of the window space and the dressing areas. So I would like her to take us to the process of showing you what you have here. This is the visitors washroom. As I said before, this is rough because we are going to tile this space, so the plastering is rough. And this is the study area. And there's going to be a glass door here with a fan light at the top to throw light into the study area. And this is the guest room. And after dressing the windows here, look how beautiful it is. So fixing your burglar-proof and your glass inside will not be anything difficult because you have a well-measured dress area just to fix your burglar-proof and your glass windows inside. And this is the guest room, toilet and bath. Then come back to the laundry area. That's how you could see the window dressed neatly. We are yet to fix the door frames, so those spaces are left. And this is the kitchen area, the window neatly dressed. And this is the dining area. All the windows are neatly dressed. And this is the living area and the glass view at the front. That's also neatly dressed. And these are the other windows at the living area. This is the top one, and this is the down one. So the building has really taken shape. The finishing is looking neat. You can see it for yourself. And we come to the top too. This is the living area for the top. This is the window to the front view at the top. You see, that is also neatly dressed. So We are on it. We are wrapping up the dressing. We are remaining with few windows. I think one or two. They are on this one. See, this is the closet, and this is the washroom. The window is also being dressed, and this is the master bedroom. See, all the dressings are being done. This is the toilet and bath. This is another bedroom at the top. So doing it this way, it saves you a lot. But when you are tackling works like this, somebody may come to the site, see maybe in a day there are 2 masons doing this dressing because of the quality that we want. We don't allow all the masons to do it. This one is masons work, but it's for the specialists, for them to get it straight. It's not all masons that can do it this way. So they may spend lesser material, but they will spend a lot of time because they will not need too much cement and sand to do this work. But it requires a lot of time and patience to do this kind of dressings. You see, so it takes time. So when in this space, when you want to compare the labor with the material, you will get it wrong because the material may be less, but the labor will be more because the work involved in this is more technical than the normal plastering. So 2 masons can plaster all this room in a day and even more. But when it comes to dressings like this, maybe a day they do maybe 3 in a day. So they will spend less material and they will require a lot of time to execute this kind of job. Papa Kofi, Juma Boko, senior mason himself, senior Papa Kofi. What you agbe? What you agbe? Leke Edware, Miledia. Elegi Niria.
Oh, elgigogh.
Okay. Okay, Akwana Mao. Now Dojilo. So you can hear me speaking ever with the Igbe man. Igbe a folk mason. Okay. So that is it.
So that was Pele for you, our supervisor and also quantity surveyor here at Gigo Production Group. So here you can see that we've already started with screeding, right? That portion is the balcony. We don't have any electricals running on the ground or any plumbing work. So the remaining materials that we have, the cement and sand and stuff, we don't want to leave it on site. It will get hardened. So we just see what is possible to do. So you can see here also we've done the screening here as well, right? It will to protect the concrete, right? So this has been the journey. If this is the first time you are seeing this project, if you go to my playlist, like I said, it's called the Aburi Amanfrom project. You see how it all started, right? How we came in. Actually, we came to do a correction. So if you have your decking, right, and you have cracks in the decking, if your decking is collapsing, there's a solution to it, which we did on this video. We explain how we did it and everything. So I think that will be in episode 2, 3, right? So you can check it out. And other, little mistakes which was done here during our preparation of the plastering, how we have to, chisel, and I mean, there's a whole lot. So there's a lot you can learn from this particular project. If you want to know more about construction, if you are starting with your project and you want to get an idea, right, so that you will be able to monitor and able to talk to your guys, right, to avoid some of these little mistakes. This is one particular project that you can watch, and anything you see which is not right, you can always alert your guys before it's even done, right? This is one of the reasons why we do put our videos out here, for you to know the step-by-step process, right? What is possible, right? And I mean, I'm not saying whatever you've seen here is 100% correct. There's so many ways of killing a cat. Every engineer, every builder, every contractor has his or her own way of building, right? So if you see something which you actually like here, or which makes sense to you, you can always ask, your builder. You can communicate with him that, hey, this is what I saw. I mean, I think it's right, or I don't want it this way, or I mean, that's why we are here, right? So that we all learn, from each other, right? So, I mean, stay tuned for our next episode when we start with the finishes. So, then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.